Many people spend hundreds of dollars on supplements hoping to protect their hearts, strengthen their muscles, and keep their minds sharp. Yet one affordable food has been part of healthy diets for decades and is often overlooked because it's so common. That food is peanut butter. But is peanut butter really good for adults over 60? Or is it just another high-calorie spread? Does eating it every day support healthy aging, or could it actually do more harm than good? Today, on Pulse Theory 360, we're separating myths from science to discover what really happens inside your body when you make peanut butter part of your daily routine. A few years ago, I met a retired school teacher named Robert. At 71 years old, he still volunteered at the local community centre, enjoyed long walks every morning, and rarely missed a family gathering because of poor health or low energy. During one conversation about healthy eating, he smiled and pointed to a jar sitting on his kitchen counter. "I've eaten a spoonful of natural peanut butter almost every day for years," he said. Of course, peanut butter wasn't the only reason he stayed active. He also exercised regularly, slept well, and ate plenty of vegetables. But his comment raised an interesting question. Could this simple food actually contribute to healthy aging? Let's begin with what peanut butter really contains. Many people think of it as nothing more than fat. In reality, natural peanut butter is packed with nutrients. It provides plant-based protein, heart-healthy unsaturated fats, vitamin E, magnesium, niacin, potassium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support many systems throughout the body. The key, however, is choosing natural peanut butter without added sugars or hydrogenated oils. One of the biggest benefits of peanut butter is its healthy fat profile. Unlike foods high in trans fats, natural peanut butter contains mostly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These healthy fats have been associated with better heart health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Your heart works every second of every day, pumping blood throughout your body. Choosing healthier sources of fat instead of highly processed snacks may help support healthy cholesterol levels and cardiovascular wellness over time. Protein becomes increasingly important as we age. Beginning around age 50, many adults naturally lose muscle mass in a process known as sarcopenia. Strong muscles support balance, mobility, and independence. Peanut butter provides a convenient source of plant protein that can help contribute to your daily protein intake. While it shouldn't replace lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, or dairy, it can become one valuable part of a protein-rich diet. Another important nutrient found in peanut butter is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Every day, your body's cells are exposed to oxidative stress caused by normal metabolism and environmental factors. Antioxidants help protect cells from this damage. Scientists believe diets rich in antioxidant-containing foods may support healthy aging by helping the body's natural defense systems function effectively. Now let's talk about your brain. Your brain depends on a steady supply of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and energy to function efficiently. Peanut butter contains niacin, magnesium, and healthy fats that support normal brain function. Although peanut butter won't magically improve memory or prevent dementia, these nutrients play important roles in maintaining healthy nerve function and energy production. Combined with regular exercise, quality sleep, lifelong learning, and a balanced diet, peanut butter can fit into a brain-healthy lifestyle. One reason many older adults enjoy peanut butter is because it helps them feel satisfied after meals. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and small amounts of fiber slows digestion compared with sugary snacks. This may help reduce unnecessary snacking between meals and support better appetite control. Stable eating patterns can also contribute to healthier blood sugar management when peanut butter is eaten in appropriate portions. However, portion size matters. Peanut butter is nutrient-dense, but it's also calorie-dense. 2 tablespoons provide approximately 190 calories. Eating directly from the jar without measuring can quickly add hundreds of extra calories to your day. Moderation is one of the most important principles of healthy nutrition. A small serving enjoyed consistently is far more beneficial than excessive amounts. Let's address another common myth. Some people avoid peanut butter because they believe it always causes weight gain. Research shows that people who regularly consume nuts and nut butters in moderate amounts often maintain healthy body weight when these foods replace less nutritious snacks. The key is substitution, not addition. Replacing cookies, chips, or candy with a measured serving of natural peanut butter may actually improve the overall quality of your diet. Choosing the right peanut butter is equally important. Turn the jar around and read the ingredient list. Ideally, it should contain only peanuts or peanuts with a small amount of salt. Many commercial brands contain added sugar, hydrogenated oils, and unnecessary preservatives. Natural peanut butter may separate because it doesn't contain stabilizers, but that's actually a sign of fewer processed ingredients. There are many delicious ways to enjoy peanut butter. Spread it on whole grain toast, add it to oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie with bananas and berries, pair it with sliced apples, or mix a spoonful into plain Greek yogurt. These combinations provide additional fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protein, while creating balanced meals that support steady energy throughout the day. Of course, peanut butter isn't suitable for everyone. People with peanut allergies should avoid it completely. Those following medically prescribed diets should always consult their healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Nutrition is never one size fits all. So, what really happens when you eat peanut butter every day after age 60? For many people, natural peanut butter may help support heart health, provide plant-based protein, contribute healthy fats, deliver important vitamins and minerals, and help promote fullness when eaten in moderation as part of a balanced diet. But no single food can replace healthy habits. Lasting health comes from the combination of nutritious eating, regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and routine medical care. The secret to healthy aging isn't finding one miracle food. It's building consistent habits that nourish your body every single day. Peanut butter can certainly be one of those habits, but it works best as one piece of a much larger puzzle. This is Pulse Theory 360, where we separate scientific facts from internet myths and explore practical nutrition strategies to help you live stronger, think sharper, and age healthier. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest science-backed health and biohacking content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Pulse Theory 360.